Well, hello there, and God bless you. I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to use a punch kit. First things first is that these punch kits are meant to be used in a hydraulic press. This is a workbench hydraulic press, and I suggest at least a 2-ton or higher hydraulic press, and they vary from, say, around 60, 70, 80, and on up. It just depends on which one you buy. This is the style I went with, and I bought it on Harbor Freight, and I think I paid around $100 for it. This is the kit. The first step is to make sure that your punch kit is clean, and let me just go over the different parts. This is called a die. This die is very important. It inserts into the bottom here, into the bottom. It just slips right there into that insert. If your coin is doming or not punching correctly, it means that this piece is either missing or that you have the wrong die in there. You need to make sure that the die matches the punch size. So if you have the wrong one, if it's too small, you're going to damage the die. If it's too big, it's going to leave a big lip. So you want to make sure that the punch and die match. And then so this here is a spacer. You'll have many different, you may have a kit with multiple spacers. Just make sure that the spacer matches the coin. This is the bottom, and this is the top. And depending on which one you bought, it could vary in design a little. So the first step is, let's grab our die. It's a little mushroom-shaped piece. We're going to make sure that it matches our punch size. This is the punch. So we got a nice, good match there, as you can see. So let's take the die and put it into the bottom insert. And make sure that it's seated well, seated nice and flat, and it's not wiggling around a whole lot in the bottom there. And we're just going to do a test run. So we're going to put our top in, and we're going to grab our punch and make sure that it doesn't hit. So see there, we're doing a test run, and it doesn't hit the die, so we know that we're safe to go ahead and punch a coin. So let's get our spacer, stick it in the bottom, get our coin. We're going to go ahead and put the coin in there. Got the spacer, the coin. Now we're going to put the top on. We're going to just put the punch in there and let it sit flat onto the coin. Now we're going to come over here. These are our pressing plates. And we want the bottom of the punch here to be over this opening. You can also create a catch in the bottom under these plates, because they move. So you can just move them around. That way your punch doesn't go flying, but it's not necessary. You don't have to have one. And so you just line this up to the bottom. Just kind of put these in a little closer. Now you're going to line it up with the pressing rod there. Alright, and then so now you just want to line this up nice and straight. Alright, so now you got it on there. Everything is straight. Everything is good. And you'll press a few times, and you will hear a pop, and that's all normal. So let's go ahead and press the coin. One press. There we go. It went ahead and popped through. The blank just fell out of the bottom. So we got the blank. That came out of the bottom, and that's also another thing that your catch at the bottom can do. So okay, so we got this. Let's see how we did. Alrighty, so we got a nice, clean, punched hole there, and The next video, I will show you an easy, quick way to get the coin off of the punch. Remember, you can always message me if you have any questions. I'm always willing to work with you, and I back up my products, so if anything goes wrong, we can work on how to get parts replaced and so on. Just remember that if anything comes up, just message me. I'm very reasonable and willing to work with you and to make you happy, and I pray that you'll find much joy in this new adventure of making coin rings. Thank you for watching. Bye.